Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need internet and a browser, so open Chrome or Firefox and go to a reputable Receive SMS online app. Once there, pick the country and number type you need. This choice affects delivery speed and service compatibility. Create an account only if the app requires it, but avoid sharing sensitive data. Next, copy the provided virtual phone number and keep the app tab open. You're ready to paste this number into the service that will send the SMS. With the virtual number pasted into the target service, trigger the verification SMS immediately. Then switch back to the Receive SMS app and monitor its incoming messages pane. Some apps push messages instantly, while others need manual refresh. If nothing appears in 1-2 minutes, resend the code from the originating service. Do this only a couple times to avoid rate limits. Make sure you read the full message body for multi-part codes. Enter the code you copied into the original service to finish setup. If verification succeeds, close the temporary tab to reduce exposure. If the code never arrives, first clear your browser cache and refresh the Receive SMS app, then request a resend. If that fails, choose a different virtual number or a different country to bypass carrier filtering. One key troubleshooting tip: if codes are blocked, try switching between toll-free and local numbers. Sometimes carrier routing determines deliverability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.